What is Yaoyan? Yaoyan Ardigma was introduced to the public in 1972 in simple ceremony in Santa Cruz, Manila by originator Grandmaster Napoleon A. Fernandez. Yaoyan is a unique Filipino martial art and considered the deadliest martial arts. It was derived from the syllables of two Filipino words, Sayaw ng Kamatayan or Dance of Death. Yaoyan is an all-out martial art using the body as a weapon. It trains the student in different areas of fighting, from punches, kicks, headbutts, shoulder butts, elbows, and knees to takedown and ground fighting techniques. It is effective in the ring as it is on the streets. Yaoyan practitioners do not memorize moves or kata. Instead, what we teach is actual fighting techniques based on real-life situation. Yaoyan derives its punches on our very own arnis or stick fighting. We call it bold punches without the rotten sticks. It has no blocking techniques. Instead, we use non-resistant techniques to subdue a much bigger and stronger attacker. Our gym is located at Yaoyan Ardigma Gym, 3rd floor, room 304, Villacampa Capuras Building, San Shanto Street, Cebu City, or across UC Main Campus. And you can contact us through telephone number 255-0356.